The SR-72 is a new hypersonic demonstrator aircraft to be developed by Lockheed Martin under its Skunk Works or Advanced Development Programs to meet the requirements of the United States Air Force. The high-speed SR-72 plane will be designed and built as a successor to Lockheed Martin's SR-71 Blackbird, which retired from the USAF service in 1998. Development of the SR-72 hypersonic aircraft in demonstrator form began in 2018. It will be an optional flight research vehicle, FRV, approximately 60 feet long. It will be equipped with 2 full-scale engines to maneuver for a few minutes at Mach 10. The SR-72 aircraft will have the capability to perform high-speed intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, and strike operations. The first flight of the SR-72 demonstrator is anticipated in 2023, while the full-scale aircraft is expected to enter into service by 2030. Details of the development of the SR-72 aircraft. Lockheed Martin has made an attempt at various successors to the SR-71 since 1998, but could not succeed in developing the high-speed aircraft. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works developed the rocket-launched Hypersonic Technology Vehicle 2, HEV-2, aircraft as part of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency's DARPA Falcon Research and Development Project. The HTV-2 project was developed for the collection of data on aerodynamics, aerothermal effects, guidance, navigation, and control. The HTV-2 completed its maiden flight in April 2010 and the second flight in August 2011. The vehicle attained a maximum speed of Mach 20, 13,000 miles per hour. The experience and substantial data gained from the HTV-2 are utilized to devise a better design for the SR-72. SR-72 aircraft features. The SR-72 aircraft will be a hypersonic strategic reconnaissance aircraft incorporating state-of-the-art hypersonic technology. It will be sized for similar missions and ranges offered by the SR-71 aircraft. The new aircraft is expected to strike targets anywhere across a continent in less than an hour when equipped with hypersonic missiles, such as Lockheed Martin's high-speed strike weapon. The high speed of the aircraft ensures penetration into protected airspace. The SR-72 will be optionally equipped to fight in combat operations. The aircraft development is supported by the long-term hypersonic roadmap of the U.S. Air Force. Engine details of the Lockheed Martin Hypersonic Demonstrator. The SR-72 unmanned aircraft will be powered by 2 engines. The aircraft will receive thrust from the turbine engine until it reaches a speed of Mach 3, while the dual-mode ramjet will deliver power for the flight at hypersonic speeds. The aircraft will use a single inlet nozzle for both the turbine engine and ramjet for reducing drag.